How to fix Facebook link history option not showing. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Facebook link history option not showing. So watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure you're running the latest version of Facebook. For that, head to App Store or Play Store and check for any updates. Tap search icon at bottom right corner and the search bar at top. Now type in Facebook. If there is update button, select that and update it to the latest version. Facebook often updates its interface and missing features may return after updating the app. You can also use Facebook on desktop. If the link history option is not visible in the app, try checking it on Facebook desktop version. Sometimes features are better accessible on the web version. So you can easily go to your profile. On the desktop, click the three dots and choose Activity Log, then filter for links or interaction to show your browsing history. Other thing you can do is simply, if the option still doesn't show up, it could be a temporary glitch due to the new updates. Sometimes feature disappears briefly after updates but come back after a patch or bug fix. So you can easily restart at last by holding a power button on your device. Simply choose restart and let your device restart and fix the issue of Facebook link history option not showing. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.